Welcome back, everyone. Once again, it's on. I received the package from Redneck Renegade, formerly known as Soda Can. And I remember Soda Can making comments on my videos, and that's how you know they watch the videos. Leave a comment once in a while, and subscribe to him. And it looks like my package fared better than Jerry Hageman. Check it out. Let's get to the box. I know it's wood for a ferro rod handle. Whoa, this is a nice piece, man. It is not camphor wood, it's something else. Very dense. Look at that beautiful grain. Check out this beautiful wood. It is not camphor. Looks a little bit different, but it's beautiful. I'm gonna put it on the lathe, and hopefully I can make something out of it. A few handles. Very beautiful. Two big pieces too. Alright folks, I'll leave a link to Redneck Renegade. He has two videos. One is with his son lighting a fire with a ferro rod. Can't get any better than that. Check him out. Give him a sub. He's barely starting out. He's at 6 subscribers right now. Let's see if we can get to 10 subscribers. Alright, Redneck Renegade, thank you for the wood. And I'm going to put it on the lathe. Alright folks, this is it for today. It's taking a little while. This wood is pretty hard, and I'm learning how to use this lathe. But anyway, I'll leave a link to Redneck Renegade. Check him out and give him a sub. And see you guys in the next video.